Welcome to FediBoard, the extension that wakes your Flipboard up. Let's now have an overview of Insights. It offers a new and unique angle on your account. First, the pie chart, displaying in number and percentage the composition of the magazine you're currently viewing. It shows your flips versus other active contributors' ones. That can be your own content, or somebody else's article you flipped into this magazine. Now let's talk about top sources. This is where you'll identify your best curators, much from top to bottom, with their respective number of flips. Extremely useful information, as you can imagine, to fine-tune your Flipboard growth strategy. The final section is the followers tracker. It says it all. You'll find there your new followers of magazines or your main account. Before, they were all buried within thousands of notifications. Now they're listed here in this section for your convenience and follow-up. FediBoard is giving you the keys to build and maintain your community. Because together we're stronger, don't you think? The last main tab is the FediBoard Tools, the Houdini Vault, if I may. The FediBoard Copilot includes the exclusive Flipboard Magician's Panoply. The following features will be explained in detail in separate videos. First, the magazine lists, the game changer. Depending on your plan, you can create lists of magazines per topic to be used in flip and reflip campaigns later on. No more forgotten magazines, no more guessing which one best suits a campaign. Did I do this one already? Oh, forgot this one. Oops, I flipped into the wrong one. All this is finished, forever. The lists are easy to create, update, and select in an upcoming campaign. Then, the Reflipper Copilot. Just enter the flip URL, select the magazine list you created for this topic, and eventually add a caption to your flip that will be pasted into each magazine. The neat sound alert is turned off by default, but you can turn it on to make sure you're flipping right. Clicking on Launch Flipper will open the native Flipboard window and proceed with the campaign. Flipper only accepts internal flip URLs to respect and follow Flipboard's original quality control. Now the Reflipper Copilot. The Reflipper will flip an existing story into a selected magazine list. The difference between a flip and a reflip campaign is that reflips will increment the number of flips in the original flip card counter. The same sound alert feature is available, turned off by default, and the magic hand, arm Reflipper to proceed with a campaign by selecting the plus icon of the story to reflip. Next, the campaign history. You keep track of past campaigns. The story, how many flipped, how many skipped, if the campaign stopped, the total in the list with the date of processing. The Flipboard Curator's record of activity. The data and features that will help you grow with method and strategy. The final section is the final bouquet, the promised land, the Fediverse Social Boost. A dedicated video is available for this very important feature. Right here, right now, you will find the number of boost credits left in your account, the field to record your brand hashtag, the one that will help you track your post on the Fediverse and help others find you. No Fediverse account needed. This section also lists the latest social boost processed, with timing, title, and hashtags used. There we go. Do you see the space available right here? Yes, there's more to come. More caffeine for Flipboard. That's Insights in the Tools tab, your growth magic, and the Houdini trunk. In the final video of this series, we will walk through parameters, settings, and everything about your data. Till then, happy flipping. Ciao!